Welcome dear student for the first segment of grade 4 Environmental Studies of St. Peter's College, Colombo Nigabu branch. So let's see what we are going to learn today. Today the lesson is lesson number 9, Transportation. So I'm going to start this lesson with a beautiful song. So let's listen to this song.
I like to travel by train. I like trains and they go choo choo choo. I like to travel by plane. I like planes and they go whoosh whoosh. I like to travel by boat. I like boats and they go honk honk honk. Travel through the world. There isn't anywhere I can't go. I like to travel by car. I like cars and they go room, room, room. I like to travel by bike. I like bikes and they go ring, ring, ring. Travel through the world. There isn't anywhere I can't go. I like to travel by horse. I like horses and they go tack-a-tack-a-tack. I like to travel by donkey. I like donkeys and they go hee-haw. Travel through the world. There isn't anywhere I can't go.
Okay, hope you have enjoyed. Isn't it, children? Here we are going to learn transportation. Transportation, what does it mean? Yes, transportation is very important in our lives. Why? Do you know why is that, children? Well, if there are no transport, how would we go somewhere? Or how would we transport our goods? Think, if I want to go from one place to another place, how will I go? Yes, I can walk or I can run. But what will I do if I have to go so far? Imagine that I want to go from Katunayaka to Colombo. So, can I walk? No. So, I can use a motorbike or a three-wheel for go there. Or I can use a car, a van or a bus for a long distance. So, my dear children, there are so many means of transport such as car, bus, train, van, aeroplanes, etc. So when we are traveling or when we are using roads, we need to be concerned about road safety. There are so many road rules. We have to obey them. So I have a question for you now. Let's see. People who walk on the road are called as? Yes. Can someone tell me the answer? People who walk on the road are called as? Well, the answer is pedestrian. So, who is a pedestrian? Yes, pedestrian is a person traveling on foot, whether walking or running. Alright, now I am going to talk about road safety. Road safety is a major concern on these days. So my dear children, there are different road signs that we should always follow while we are on the road. So can you see this picture? There are so many road signs. They have different meanings. So you can see here, some road signs are red colored and some are blue colored. And there are some white color road signs, and also there are some yellow color road signs. And it has different shapes. Some are circle, triangles and diamond shapes. So my dear children, we should obey these rules because it controls vehicles and pedestrians. So we should always obey road signs. Right. Let's take a look at what we should do and what we should not do while we are on the road. Do's and don'ts on road safety. Okay. Now I have mentioned some points here. You can see do's and don'ts. What we should do while we are on the road, what we should not do while we are on the road. Okay, let's see one by one. Footpath. We should always walk on footpath. Zebra crossing. We should always cross the road on zebra crossing. Always walk from the right side. That means as a pedestrian, we should always walk from the right side of the road, not the left side. Follow traffic signals. So, we should always follow traffic signals while we are on the road. Look right, left and right. So, while we are crossing the road, we should look right side and then left side. And again we have to look right side. If there are no vehicle, we can cross the road. Wear seat belts. So we should wear seat belts while traveling in a car. Wear helmets. We should wear helmets while riding on a bike. So let's take a look at the things what we should not do while we are on the road. Never play on the road. Yes, road is not a safe place to play. So, if we want to play, we can play at home or in a park. Road is not a proper place to play. Don't use mobile phones. Yes, we should never use mobile phones while we are driving. It may lead to accidents. Never get out of moving vehicle. You should never jump out of a moving vehicle. You will get injured. Never lean out of moving vehicle. That means you do not put your head or hand outside the window of a moving vehicle. So I think it's clear. Is it clear, children? Yes. So we discussed all about road safety. When we are talking about road safety, we need to talk about traffic rules also. Okay, let me call my friend now. He is Mr. Traffic Light. We should all follow his signals to be safe on the road. So, let's take a look at traffic lights in detail. You can see, children, it has 3 colors. How many colors? 3 colors. What are the 3 colors? Red, yellow and green color. These colors has different meanings. Let's see. So, when the signal is red, what does it mean? When the signal is red, all the vehicles should stop. That means, it means stop. When the signal is yellow, we should keep our vehicle ready to drive. That means ready. When the signal is green, the drivers can drive the vehicle. They can move, they can go. So it means go. So red color means stop, yellow color means ready, green color means go. In some places we can see two traffic lights together. One is for pedestrian and the other for drivers. When the signal is red for drivers, they should stop their vehicle. Then the traffic light for pedestrian turns green color. Then only pedestrian can cross the road. That means pedestrian can cross the road when the signal is green color. Which color? Green color. So, yes, we have another question. We'll see. So, which color of the traffic light gives us the signal to cross the road? So, what is the color? Yes, for the pedestrian, it's green color. So, the answer is green color. Okay. Our friend is here now. He will give us different signals. You can tell me what each color represents. Are you all ready, children? Okay, here we go. Now, the signal is red color. When the signal is red color, it means what? What does it mean? Stop. All the vehicles should stop. When the signal is yellow color, what does it mean? Yes, we should keep our vehicle ready to drive. That means ready. Then the green color. When the signal is green color, the drivers can drive the vehicle. They can move. They can go. So the signal is go. So tell me, red color means stop. Yellow color means ready. Green color means go. So I think it's clear for you now. Now I'm going to tell a small story. Once upon a time, there were two friends. There were two good friends called Jimmy and Jenny. Jimmy is a girl. She is very clever. And Jenny is a boy. One day, Jenny, that boy, wanted to know something about traffic rules and road safety. So, he told his wish to his friend Jimmy. So, we'll see what happened next.
Yes, let's go to the kids' road safety park and there we can learn some more things.
Here comes a car. I will sit on the front seat.
Jimmy, children should always sit on the back seat of a car. So please close the front door and let's sit behind.
Okay. Let me come and join you on the back seat.
Jimmy, one more rule. You should always come in or out of the car from the curb side of the road.
Okay. Let me come from this side. Tell me, why should we wear seat belts?
We should always wear seat belt as sometimes drivers apply brakes suddenly. If you're not wearing a seat belt, then you may hit your head on something and that can be dangerous. Uncle, please can you switch your phone off? Thank you, Uncle.
Why did you ask Uncle to not answer his phone?
Because we should not talk on our mobile phones while driving. It can be very dangerous. While talking on our phones, we don't pay full attention to the road. It can cause an accident.
Oh, I will tell this to my school bus driver. He is always talking on his cell phone while driving. Look, the signal is now red. Our car is slowly stopping. Hey, look, it's my friend in that car. Let me say hello to him.
Jimmy, that is dangerous. You should not take your hand or head out of the car on the road. If another car or a vehicle is coming from behind, it can hit you.
Oh, I am so sorry. I never thought like that.
We have to go to the market area. Let's go outside. Remember the rule. We should always get in or out of the car from the curb side of the road.
Oh, see, our friend is here too.
Yes, traffic lights are our friends. They help in controlling the traffic. Hey, stop! Did you see the signal? It is still green for the traffic. We should cross the road only when the signal for the vehicle is red.
Oh, sorry. And I also know one rule. We should always cross the road from pedestrian crossing.
Yes, it's also called zebra crossing. See, now the light has gone red for the traffic. Now we can cross the road. Oh, that was very close. Don't cry. Nothing has happened. You are safe. But remember, don't run or play while you are on the pavement. It can be very dangerous.
I will take care next time. Pavement is for walking, it's not for playing.
You are very intelligent. Oh, let's go to the other side.
But we can't cross the road as the signal for pedestrians is red. Let's wait.
It's green now. But before crossing, we should look both ways to make sure that all vehicles have stopped.
Now we can cross.
Okay, children. Today we discuss about road safety and traffic signals. I think you have a clear idea about this lesson now. Alright, children. We are going to move to the worksheet now. Worksheet number 12, transport. So in the first page I have given some instruction. You can see there are some rules for pedestrian. In the first page. And in the second page we can see there are some rules for drivers. So you can go through them. In the third page we can see there are some traffic signals. We have discussed earlier. Red color means stop. Yellow color means ready. Green color means go. And there is a table. How should we behave on the road? We discussed what we should do while we are on the road or what we should not do when we are on the road. So it's clearly displayed. You can check these things. Okay, let's do the activity now. Color the given traffic lights accordingly. Use the correct color and write the signals given by the color. In the first picture we can see the signal is red color, and the second picture the signal is yellow color, third picture green color. So what does it mean the signal is red color? Yes, that means stop. When the signal is yellow, it means ready. When the signal is green, it means go. Which color of the traffic light gives us the signal to cross the road? Yes, we have discussed earlier. So what is the traffic light for pedestrian? Yes, it's green color. Traffic light signals are useful when we are blank the road. So what is the answer? Traffic light signals are useful when we are crossing the road. Okay, children, we'll move to the next. Right. Read and select the correct detail and write in the grid accordingly. There are some answers here you can see, and you have to complete the grid according to these answers. Right. Using the pedestrian crossing, is it a correct way or an incorrect way? Using the pedestrian crossing, yes, it's correct. So we have to write in the correct way. Walking in groups, no, we can't walking in groups on the road, so it's incorrect. Obeying road rules, yes, it's correct. Damaging roads and property, so where should I write? Yes, it's incorrect. So is it clear, my dear children? Alright. Draw a picture in the given box crossing the road from the right place. Color the picture with the correct colors. So you can draw a picture like this with using color lights, traffic lights and the zebra crossings. When using roads, we need to take precautions to prevent accidents. Write the precaution take to prevent number 2 and number 3 accidents given in the grid. Accidents and precaution taken to prevent. First one, a student was knocked down by a bus while crossing the road. So prevention method is use the pedestrian crossing. Drivers need to be more careful. We'll see the second one. While walking using the mobile phone, knocking on a lamp post and getting injured. So how we can prevent this? Yes, we should not use mobile phones while we are driving vehicles. Third one, playing while walking on the road and injuring yourself. So what is the prevention method? Yes, we do not play on the road. So this is how we can complete this grid. Last question. Draw and color the poster. How do you stay safe and avoid the accidents while walking on the road? So you can draw a poster like this. You can draw something related to this topic. Alright children, now I am going to wind up my lesson. That's all for me for now. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So keep watching, keep learning. I shall be back next time with a new lesson. May God bless you all.